In this video, I'm going to show you how to install YouTube app on PC. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's get started. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to your Google Chrome, then on the search for YouTube. Then click on it, then go to YouTube. Now, once you are on your YouTube homepage, you just need to click on the three dots on your top right corner, then scroll down, then go to cast, save and share. Then you are going to see install YouTube. Click on it, then install. Then as you can see, this is the YouTube app which has been installed. So in order to launch this YouTube app, let me close this one first, then close this one. Then you will see this app on your desktop. So in order to launch YouTube, you just be clicking on it. So that's it, guys. That's how you can install YouTube on PC. If you have found this useful, please do not forget to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you for watching.